In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to train your own model with OpenArt. We'll go from landing on the site to kicking off your first training job, and along the way, I'll share tips to set you up for success. Start by opening your browser and heading to OpenArt AI. On the homepage, take a moment to get familiar with the layout. To reveal more options, look for the More menu near the top navigation and click it. This expands additional tools you'll use for model work. From the expanded menu, choose Models. The Models section is the hub where you can browse community creations and manage your own. It's helpful to glance around here so you know where your trained model will appear later. Inside Models, find and select Train Your Own Model. This takes you to the training workspace. Here, you'll typically choose a base, set some preferences, and prepare details about what you want your model to learn. Don't worry if you're new. OpenArt guides most defaults well, and you can refine settings over time as you gain experience. Next, use the Create Your Own Model form to define the essentials. Give your model a clear, memorable name and a concise description that states what it's optimized for, like a subject, a style, or a product line. Good naming helps you find it later and keeps multiple experiments organized. If the interface allows tags or categories, use them consistently. When you add training examples, favor a focused, high-quality set. Images that match the look and subject you want, with minimal watermarks or heavy filters. Variety in angles and lighting is helpful, but keep the overall concept tight so the model doesn't drift. If captions or prompts are supported, keep them accurate and descriptive. Before launching, review any training parameters that are visible, such as steps, resolution, or regularization. If you're unsure, start with the recommended defaults. It's usually better to run a shorter first training, evaluate results, and iterate rather than overtrain on the first attempt. When you're ready, click Train Your Model. The platform will queue the job and show progress. Training time can vary based on your dataset size and chosen settings, so let it run without refreshing the page excessively. Once it completes, your model will appear back in the Models area, ready to be used in your generations and shared if you choose. That's it. You've navigated to OpenArt, opened the Models hub, entered your model details, and started training. Save your setup notes so you can reproduce strong runs, and you'll improve with every iteration.